Indian Work Association during the mid-60s in Birmingham and in London area. They resolved to contest election for the committee. And in Birmingham, committee decided to nominate one Sathi Jeevan Singh, and who used to live on Edith Road, and the second one Baldev Singh Shergill. They were elected. They went to the Gurdwara. Participated in the election and the committee work.
So Shergill was an IWA member?
Yeah.
Right.
Jeevan Singh became a Granthi, reading part, and Baldev Singh, he was totally involved in the Gurdwara, and both of them slowly they slipped back from the Indian Work Association committee. And the following election of the Indian Work Association, they informed us that they don't want to become member of the Indian Work Association.
So what was the intention in the first instance to get them to join the committee?
The intention was that we will get more members from Smadhi Gurdwara. They will help more work with us. Later on, one Sarban Singh Sanghwal, he participated because of the nomination from IWA. He became assistant secretary. He was assistant secretary for 2 years, but he informed the Indian Work Association committee, this is a donkey work. We're not getting any benefit for the Indian Work Association. So at this election, I'm not going, I'm back in the Indian Work Association. He remained member of the Indian Work Association. Two important events on the Smadhi Gurdwara.
So despite them not remaining members of the Indian Workers Associations, were they sympathisers?
No, there are many IWA members who are IWA members. They go to Sikh temple, Gurdwara. They participate in the prayer and Khand Path and Langar, all those. But none of them is a committee member. So that remained. After Sarban came back, then Indian Work Association decided not to send any more activists of the Indian Work Association who become the activists for the Gurdwara and give up the work of the Indian Work Association. So that is on the Indian Work Association. But in the Gurdwara Management Committee, they started introducing Indian politics, Akali politics and Gurdwara politics, Congress politics. And I give you the example which is very important to record, that during the 70s, Prakash Singh Badal, president of Shromani Akali Dal, he was Chief Minister of Punjab. During his chief ministership, Punjab police, they staged faked encounter to kill many Naxalite comrades. Most prominent among them was Baba Buja Singh, who I mentioned came here to collect the money for Deshbhakt Yadgar Hall. He was apprehended, taken to the Banga police station, and on the third day he was taken to a canal bridge, and they staged a fake encounter to kill him. That was in July 1970, 28th July 1970, he was killed. In August, Prakash Singh Badal visited Britain. He tried to address a public meeting in Dominion Centre in Southall. Comrades from Southall, London, Kirti Uni, and from Woolwich, about 100 of them went to the meeting. They disrupted the meeting, didn't allow him to speak, and then he has to leave. Followed by that, he was at Smadak Gurdwara. The committee invited him to come to the Smadak Gurdwara, but hundreds of IW members from Midlands, they occupied the Sangat Hall, the first original hall. Me, Son Sandhu, Dardi, we stood outside with about 25 IW members. We made it plain that if you want to speak, we will not allow it, we will disrupt it. But if his Akali Dal want to organize their public meeting, we will not go there. His principal secretary, Mukhtar Singh, he tried to negotiate with Comrade Teja, and he asked Teja and pleaded with him that he will come, please allow him to come into the temple, but we want surety that he would not be insulted. Teja reply was that I can't give that assurance, even of my IWA members, because they are so much angry of killing a 82-year-old revolutionary. Buja Singh age was 82 years old, and he can't give assurance. When Teja declined to give assurance, he was sitting in a car somewhere away from Smadak Gurdwara. They went back. He didn't come. He was not allowed to enter Gurdwara. The second instance, when Indira Gandhi announced state of emergency in India, she sent one Congress leader to UK to make arrangement for more leaders to visit the UK. Again, members of the Indian Work Association, Smadak Gurdwara, pleaded with them that you organize your meeting somewhere else. We will not disrupt the Gurdwara congregation. They brought the Amrao Singh, their supporters, I, Son Sandhu, and other IW members were standing on the front. He knew Son Sandhu as a kabaddi player. He extended his hand to shake with Sandhu, and Son Singh Sandhu said, "Not today. You are on a political visit. I will not shake hand with you." The Congressee that took him inside, but he was not allowed to speak on the hall, and there was big disruption in the hall, and he was taken back out of the hall. And after that, to our knowledge, not until the Khalistanis, anyone from the politics, Akalis or Congressee, came to Gurdwara in Smadik. And we pulled back as well, that Gurdwara is Gurdwara as long as Akalis and Congress people do not use it as political purposes, we will not enter there. Yeah. Full stop.